In this video, I'm going to show you how to make images and videos transparent in CapCut PC. Let's launch the CapCut app. In this menu, click on Create Project. Now you need to import your image or video. In the left side menu, click on Import. Now select and import the files you want. Here, you can see that I have imported a video and an image. Making images and videos transparent in CapCut PC is often necessary for creating professional and visually appealing edits. Transparency allows editors to blend multiple layers smoothly, add overlays, insert logos or watermarks without blocking the main content, and create cinematic effects like ghosting or double exposure. It's also useful for transitions, green screen or chroma key edits, and making text or animations stand out while keeping the background visible. Now, drag one file to the timeline. Let's try the video first. After adding the video to the timeline, go to the top right corner of the window. In this menu, go to the Video, then Basic tab. As you can see, I am already on the Basic tab. In the Basic tab, turn on the Blend option. In the Blend option, you can reduce the opacity to make the video transparent. The more you reduce the opacity, the more transparent it will be. It works the same for the image as well. Just add the image to the timeline and reduce the opacity just like before. Following these steps, you can make images and videos transparent in CapCut PC.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.